Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
By computer could they be calculated and the first time pictorially described.
Auto. How are we going? Let's just make sure we've got audio. Okay. Auto. How are we going? We seem to have audio. So let's get on with it. So what we're doing, we can't make the sides and the lid until we've got to remake our drive caddy after we put some dog bone joints in it. And also this is Project Orac edition. So we're going to make one of these into an Orac. Yeah, an Orac for taking to shows, Amiga shows, maybe the Kickstart, if we can get a space in there, maybe. So it's going to be an interactive Orac Amiga 2000 playing Orac from samples interactively to a kind. Yeah, just to, and some fancy lights and some churning motors and different things, a bit crazy, and that will be it. So we've got a few months to get it all sorted. So anyway, very ambitious, but there you go. Dog boning. Right. Okay, so dog boning. Let's might as well start on this one here. Might as well start here. So let's sort out. Now, let's go on to this view. I'll tell you what, let's not go onto that view. Let's go onto this one a minute. We can have a look to see what we got to do. It's like a 3-point turn. You've got to drive past and see what you've got to do, so you can work out what are you going to do. Now this isn't going to show us what we're going to do, because in reality that will be a bend. There'll be a bend in there like that, which we're not seeing. So we've got to compensate for the bend. Now I'm thinking, rather than go to extreme lengths and try to go around to the dog bone, so I shouldn't have called it dog bone really. What I'm going to do is try the easy option and just make these longer to compensate for the bend. Okay, so it's not dog bone, but we might regret not doing the dog bone. Just means we'll have to make it a few times. These parts are only small, so anyway, let's do it. So we know we've got 1/2 mil, and we know we've got a bit of a problem here. So I'd say let's just try 2 mil on either end from where it is now. Right, here we go. So we're just gonna literally, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just use that. We'll go 2 mil this way. And can I get onto that yet? 2 mil that way. Right, let's just back out of it a minute. Okay, so we've got a lot of space now, but not that much. But don't forget, that will be the bend in it. There'll be an arch, half a circle there. So I think that'll do. If we can do the same with that, and it'll give us a little bit of leeway as well, allow us to keep it flush, and to that effect. Okay, so now we've done the one, let's just do the rest. This is the cheat edition version. Cheat edition, 2mm that way. I found out something as well. If you hold the mouse button in, you can turn around like that. You can turn it round. So there's a little way of doing that here. Anyway, let's push this one 2mm out. Have a look at each one. Make sure we haven't gone crazy. Yeah, we're okay. Right, so that's what we're going to do. It looks like a lot of space now. Could be 2.5mm either side, but the dog bone will fill that out. And it'll also give us a little bit of lateral play. Might not be a good idea, but anyway, we'll try it. Let's do the top two as well. I'll just do them bit by bit. And this is the easiest way we can do it, because we can then apply this to the G-code we've already got. Literally just go and push 2mm on every face like this. Just like that. Oops. It's the easiest thing we can do. Okay, so that's that one. That's that one done. Oh, hang on, there's some more here. There's a bit more here. I'm trying to keep to the one side so I don't inadvertently miss something. I'll just keep it 2mm. I've got to work out whether this bridge is strong enough as well. At 6mm thick. Because there's a lot of weight got to go on this. The drives and the power pack. Lots of stuff got to go on this. So anyway, I think that's this side done. Let's go around this side and do the same here. Oh, what's it doing? Why is it selecting that? Oh, let's see. It's very warm today. Yeah, this is the excuse me, easiest way we can get it done at the minute. I like the easy way, and the trouble is I'm not selecting that. How can I auto select that? 2mm that way. It seems I have to click on it first. 2mm that way. Right, let's do this one over here as well. 2mm, and the last one here, 2mm, and then come out of that. Come out of that and get over to this tab here. Okay, and we need to do these top two now. Top two. Here we go. Can I just do that? Yeah. 2mm that way. 2mm that way. And I also can't get hold of any 2mm plastic. 2mm that way, 2mm that way. So that's that done. Let's just give it the once over. Yeah, we've allowed what we wanted there. Looks good over there. Yeah. Now, like I said, there's a lot of weight on here. So, what do we do about the weight? Not too sure. Anyway. Right, I'll leave that like that. Okay, let's do the same to... Might as well do the same to the lid while we're here. Right, so yeah, the lid's gonna have to be done. Let's just turn it upside down. So all these faces we want, yeah, the dog bone will be, hang on, I can't quite work it out. Right, what have I done? What have I done? Oh, I see. Let's do it from this angle then. Alright, there it is. We need to look at that angle there. We need the sides on so we can see what's going to go on. So we've got the side going that way. So these will need extending. And a bit of a problem. No, there's no dog bone here. Yeah, the only problem where there's a dog bone where it goes from 90 round. This one is not 90, it's just down, across and up. So we don't necessarily need to dog bone that. So we only need to dog bone the ones that slide in together. So this will definitely need dog bone in here, so let's do that. Well, it's not really a dog bone. I'll just call it a dog bone. It's not a dog bone. It's a trick of a dog bone. I can see some weird geometry here as well, so I'm going to correct that as well while we're here. While we're on. Okay. Now I think the rest can stay as it is. Yeah, because that bit there, there's not going to be a dog bone, it's just going to be straight in and out, so that's good, we can leave that alone. These will need dog boning, but we've already made that. We might have to make them. Oh no, they'll stay the same, but let's just do, that's the sides though, isn't it? We're on the lid at the minute, let's stick with the lid a minute. Let's finish the lid first. Right, so we've done that one. We're going to have to do this one. Two mil. 2 mil. Okay. And I think that one's a dog bone one. Let's just get it back again. Right, we've done that. We haven't done this one. Right, let's just see if that... I've got to work out if that needs to be done as well. Yeah, this will have to be done because it's part of a dog bone. Yeah, so let's do that one. Go back over this way. Okay, oops, we're on a roll today, literally. I'm spinning that roller and it's 2 mil and 2 mil. Okay. Right, we need to do these two. 2 mil. And again, we've got this weird geometry going on here. Let's get rid of that. Okay. And there's this one. Yeah, we'll remake it. Make it all over again. Oh no, we haven't made this bit anyway, so that's alright. We haven't made it. Okay, let's go and do this bit now. I'll give you a bit of Orac in a minute. I've got to find some wave sounds to use on our samples. Yeah, these will need. Oh, that maybe not need doing. Tell you what, let's have a look. Right, so that is that. Yeah, that's just a thing that straight down. That doesn't need doing. That can stay as it is. This one definitely will need doing. If I put the sides on, you'll see it. Yeah, that needs doing. So yeah, we've done that one. Let's do this one. 2 mil and 2 mil. So you got 2 millimeter either side. Hopefully will be enough. If it isn't, what a shame. These don't need doing because they stick straight up. I'm sure they do. Let's just check. Yeah, they. Oh, hang on. Yeah, because that goes on an angle, so that should be alright. So it goes down and on an angle. There might be a bit of a dog bone there. So I'll tell you what we'll do. That one's going to be okay, because that's straight. We'll make this one 2 mil at the one side. I'll just put 2 mil on the one side of this. It's only the one side that will be a problem. I'll only do it to the bit that's a problem. Yeah. Okay, that's going to be the same again. We don't want to be struggling with cases, we just want them to fit. And these two are going to need doing as well, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, they all need doing. Unless I've already done them, let's just have a look again. No, I haven't done them. So at least we're going to make these bits again. So we're going to end up with a lot of bits left over here, scrap bits, and I don't want to keep them for nostalgia or anything like that. So they're just going to get in the way. So I'll just chuck them or reuse them if they're big enough for other parts. Right, so that's that one done. Let's just check, make sure everything is good now. Yeah, we've got space. We've got space there, yeah. Now these sides next in a minute. And also the base, we're going to have to redo the base as well. It's difficult to do the base. Let's just hide the keyboard a minute so we haven't got too much geometry on the screen. Right, so everything else looks okay. Yeah. Alright, so it's just the sides next, so let's do the sides. Sides, it'll have to be this one here. Yeah, these. And while I'm on, this will be probably the same as well. Two mil and 2 mil, and this one 2 mil. Oh, that means we've done both sides already. Some more on the back that'll need doing. Let's do them as well. We're getting there. It's too late now to start milling this time of night. Hence why we're doing this. Okay, now I need to just sort this out here. Let's have a look at that in a minute when we come out of it. Does this need dog boning? No, this one doesn't, because there's no 90-degree bend on it. It's just straight on. So that doesn't need doing. What we haven't thought of is this will be round, and trying to fit a square thing into a round hole. A square thing into a round hole is not going to work. So we will have to make them a bit bigger to allow for, yeah, because we're cutting these on a different direction. So let's sort that out next. Alright, so let's just do it. It's going to be awkward because they're right close to this. This one will be okay. Two mil. No, I don't know if I'm going to get 2 mil out of this one. Let's try it. Oh, just about. It's quite narrow. Let's have a look. 1 mil. That's a little bit of a problem. 1 mil. So we've got enough space there to cope with that. But having 1 mil is not a good idea. So what do we do about that? Not too sure, so let's make it a bit of compromise. Let's do a bit of compromise. Let's bring it back 1 mil. So what have we got now? Let's see what we've got now. 1.4, yeah. Okay, it's quite thin, that. Yeah, so the way I've done it might not be the best way, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see. You should be able to mill it. It's not very thick. 2.5 mil. But it's only a short space. I don't know if that will work out, you know, thinking about it now, I'm not sure. I could try it. Be alright on the laser, this is vibration, see, when it's cutting it. It tends to want to move and snap instead of cut. We'll give it a go. We'll just give it a go. Okay. Hold on a second. Right, okay. Oh dear. Right, So what else we got? Let's have a look. There's the base. So we've done the lid, done the sides, the back. I don't know if we've done the back. We've done the back. Now these were problematic. The bottoms, the sides will be okay. Right, there doesn't seem to be a way of holding that on. Yeah, there's no way of holding the sides on at the minute. The yeah. Sorry, they'll be held onto the base, and then the lid will hold them in. Yeah, so that's fine. Right, let's sort the bottom out next. See what we're going to do, because there's not enough room here to get a nut and pair of pliers in. You could make them bigger and deeper. Let's make bigger and deeper, so we got an option of what screw we use. We don't want to narrow ourselves down too much. Right, so let's just sort that out, which means we'll have to make it again. Let's do the bottom first. That's not the bottom. Let's take the sides off a minute. Take the sides off, and let's get hold of this. So as long as we know we're doing 2mm on everything, it won't take long to do. Right, so we've got both there. Let's do the bottom one first. So hang on, let's come out. So this is just a cavity, so that needs to go 2mm in all directions. 2mm, 2mm, and 2mm. It's only where the nut goes, so you can get your long nose pliers in. And this bit, can that go 2mm and 2mm? No, we'll leave that one alone because we can get to that at the side, so that's not a problem. It's only these ones that you can't get your pliers into. So 2mm, 2mm, 2mm. Okay. Right, next. Let's just keep going around. Do this one as well. Oh, what's it doing? Let's press escape. I think it just caught it while it was saving. Okay. Right, what's next? And we can do... Yeah, we can't do the pockets. We could if we turned it over. So we've got that. We've done these two. No, we need to do that one there. Let's do this one. 2mm. 2mm and 2mm. Okay, so that's that one done. Pockets, because we're gonna have to make this. This is the base though. Yeah, I can't do a pocket. I can't. I'll leave the pocket there, but we'll just drill it straight through. Gonna have to check all the hole sizes as well. Let's carry on and do the rest of these. So we know we're alright on them 4 there. That's right. Okay. So next one. Let's do this one here. Let's do it to this one. We need to come in from a different angle. Okay, let's just come in from this angle. Okay. 2mm. 2mm. and 2mm. Okay, that one's done. Next one, this one here. Okay, 2mm. Right, this one. Right, okay, this is the last one, I think, on this piece. Okay, they stay the same. Yeah, that's it, that's done. Right, okay, come out of that. Now we've got to do, we've done, which one we've done actually? We've done those long ones. Let's see if we've done this one. No, we haven't done this one, have we? Gonna have to measure it. I don't think I did this one. 10mm, no. 2mm. 2mm and 2mm. Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, and one over here. Okay. So let's have a look at that. They should all be the same. No, we missed one. Look at that. Actually, that's going to be right next to the corner, look. That's a pain, isn't it? Okay. Let's go for it. 2mm. 2mm. And what happens if we go 2mm that way? One mil. What happens if we go 1mm? I don't get a lot of there, do we? What's that? Tiny piece. 0.5 of a mil. I better leave that one. We'll have to leave that one. Just do. I've got a bit more space. We'll leave that one as it is. That one doesn't look right either, does it? Let's just have a look. Yeah, that's not done either. Maybe we haven't done any of them then. Right, so we've done that one. We've got to do this one. Okay. Now this one. Okay, that one stays as it is. Yeah, that stays as it is. Because you can get to them. This one can be moved. Okay. Right. Any more? No, I think that's it. That's it on that one. Okay, let's just have a look again. That looks okay. Looks okay. Looks okay. Oh. What happened there? Right, we did one there, but because that's got a gap on it there, we don't really want that. Let's put that back where it was. I don't want it. Want it the same. Yeah, that's alright. Anywhere near that geometry. Okay, it's looking alright. What's that there? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm getting seasick now. Backward and forward. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, okay, that looks alright then, so that's okay. So the base is done. Is there anything else? Anything else that has a problem interlocking? Not really. What's this? Oh, that sits in there and then the side goes in there. I think, let's put the sides back on. Let's just double check. Yes, we've got space around that one. We've got space around that one. We've got space around that one. And that one, and that one. And we're okay here. And we're okay there, yeah. And we're okay there. Apart, yeah, we're okay there. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, let's try this side. Should be alright this side. We haven't got no tab there. No tab there, but it's a nut instead. And we've got space there, space there. Space there. Yeah, and space here. Yeah, that's okay. We've got space here. And space there. That's it. Okay. Let's get the right way up again. Let's save that, seeing as we haven't saved anything for a while. Right, what's next to look at? The drive caddy, isn't it? Let's just look at the drive caddy. Let's take off the side and the lid. The drive caddy's done. Okay. Now, there's a lot of weight on this small bridge here. So, it begs the question, what can we do about it? I'm not sure we can do anything about it. Unless we double the size of this up. If we do that, we'd have to drop that to another thickness. You'd have 2 layers. We'll have to see how it goes. See how that goes. How can we strengthen that up? If need be. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does, I don't know. We might have to replace it with aluminium at some point. I'll tell you what I needed to do is look at I'm having trouble getting the 2mm polycarbonate or acrylic. So this might be a problem because then I need to do that rail. This packer would have been nice. Let's just go into a different mode so I can work out something. So we've got, what have we got here? 22mm. 22mm. So we've got 6, 6 and 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22mm. I've put the full size Zorro slot in. Now it's looking like we're still a tiny bit off, but that's give us some play. Can't remember what it was now. .75 of a mil, so it's hardly anything. So that's about the play we need. So just trying to work out the way of juggling these round. Anyway, juggling these round to, so that's 2mm worth of fence. And that's the sandwich there to save pocket in it. Which more expense and more plastic, more time to cut out. So if I replace, I could just pocket this out, couldn't I? Pocket out 4mm like I did, but the one I tried first wasn't on a flat table, and I had thin piece here and thick over this side. So I could mill it out again if I did it again, redesign it. So redesign it. Redesign it, combine the two, but then I'd have to mill these out. So mill them out. So if we had a get rid of the one and have an extra 6mm, we'd have 2mm extra. But yeah, 2mm extra. So that's as far out as it can come. So from the back plane where it sits flush at the bottom, let's see what that is. So from there to there, 14mm. So we've got 12mm plus 2mm. We're okay to come in that way by 2mm, by losing that and making a pocket. Which we're gone back to the earlier design. Okay, let's save us that piece there. Then we'd have to sort this out. So this would have to be a pocket as well. Not good, not easy. No, I don't know if I like the idea of that. I think I'll keep it as it is. We'll have to find some plastic. 2mm acrylic. So it does the fence and it does the screw over. It gives some strength to the base and it allows it to bolt on there. You couldn't just bolt 2mm straight to this, you do need it. Okay, so we'll keep it as it is. Keep that as it is, and we'll try and find some plastic, some 2mm plastic from somewhere. We need to get some tomorrow if possible. The only place I know is B&Q, and it's like £25 a sheet. 2mm, there's no other way of doing it. Not really. Don't need a lot. Don't need a lot of 2mm. Don't need any over here. So it's just the back pieces. Is there a better way of designing it to disallow needing, so we don't need it? Not sure. Not sure about that. Anyway, let's go in search of some 2mm plastic. We'll end the design there. I've got to modify the G code yet. I'm a bit tired. My eyes are closing. It's getting, yeah, we'll leave it at that, I think. It's only 46 minutes in. They're getting shorter and shorter. I've altered that design. I'll tell you what. So I can start some milling tomorrow. Let's just go to the code for the sides and the back plate, isn't it? Yeah. I'd rather get the sides and the top done. Oh, I could mill them out as well. Let's do that. Let's do the drive caddy first. Right, let's make another drive caddy. Right, so open the drive caddy. There it is. Now we know we did 2mm on everything. This shouldn't take long to do 2mm on this. So all we've got to do is grab those two and move them 2mm, and grab these two. It's much easier to do while it's already collapsed everything. Okay, same with this side. Okay. Okay. Right, let's go in down, do the rest of this. Yeah, it won't take long, just to make it 2mm. And it'll save me having to file it. And I filed it yesterday. I got bits of plastic in my mouth. Yeah, it won't take long. It is boring. It's boring for me. It's boring for you guys. It's boring as hell. But anyway, I don't want to do it any more than you want to see it. Yeah, crazy. Why am I streaming it? I don't know. Otherwise, I'm streaming it because it's so boring. I would keep putting it off, putting it off, and putting it off. So by streaming it, I'm forcing myself to work on it. Right. Okay. Right, so that one's done, so I can reissue that one out. This one's got to be sorted now. Right, so these are the same, more of the same. In fact, I could do this probably if I selected more of them. Oh well, I'll just do it bit by bit. I could select more. I'll just do it bit by bit. Really, I should be making all this out of aluminium, really, but then it wouldn't be clear. Wouldn't be clear, and you won't be able to see LED lighting through it. You won't be able to see all the circuit boards and all the components, and all the ribbon cables and all the cable tidiness. You won't be able to appreciate the work that's gone into it. So it's got to be clear, really. Yes, should have to be careful with it. I might even have to go into a flight case while you're travelling it around the shows. otherwise you'll end up smashed. Right, that's done. I've got to, oh, they're only, they don't need to be done because that's just not doing anything. These stay the same because we can keep them the same. And they're the same. They're the same, so we haven't got to touch them. Right, so let's just save it, and we'll remake this piece here. And it's quite, because it's small, there's a lot of pressure on the power supply and the weight of the drives on here. So to that effect, I want some airflow. Or do I alter this design while we're here? No, I'll leave it as it is for now. I'll put the weight of the power supply on it and everything else. Right, let's output that. So let's find the bit where it says about the drive shelf. So it's the main bridge, that's it. That's all in one, that is. So we'll overwrite that one. Overwrite the main bridge. And then we'll do these two. Okay, and this is the floppy drive, something or other. Floppy drive plate, that's it, and this will be inside cut because it's an inside cut, yeah. Overwrite that one. That one hasn't changed, so we'll leave that alone. These haven't changed, so leave that alone. That's fine, that's that then. So the next thing we want is the sides and the lids. Let's do the sides next. Sides. Save changes, yes. Right, so these lids, we know we did 2.5 millimeters. So let's just go 2.5 mil that way. Oh, it's 2 mil because they're already 0.5 mil spacing. That's right, just 2 mil. Okay, and these over here. Yeah, what I want is just to mill it out and not have to get the file out and do anything like that, other than take a tiny bit of burr off. I was hoping to over-engineer the model so I wouldn't have to make loads of reiterations of the same thing, wasting the plastic. I can reuse some of it, but ultimately it's a waste of my time over and over again. But anyway, sometimes it has to be done. Right, now can I select that and move it that way? Yeah. So the one we said we're going to move, that's gonna, why is that doing that? Hang on. It's to be locked, it's not locking itself. How can I do that? How can I lock it? I'm only guessing, aren't I? Look at that. Is there I don't know how to lock it to that position. That's where it was. Right, that'll do. 2 mil. That's it. Yeah, this back bit, I think I left it where it was, didn't I? Or did I do 1 mil? Can't remember. I think I left it where it was. So that's that sorted. Oh, that's it. You don't touch the rest. Let's remake that one then. Let's just make sure I've got 6mm selected. Yeah, so we'll make that one. So it's two of the same things. So hang on. How does it know what I called that? Right, so it's the inside times 2 inside outside cut. That's actually is the name of it. So go to sides. Where are you? There you are. So it's that one. Outside, inside. So it is that one. It's the same one. That one's the same, so we leave that alone. Right, now the lids. Did we do lids? Lids now. Lid. There we go. Lid. Right, the lids. Yeah, the lids are got to be done. They're all on this piece here. So we can remember what we did. Oops, that's no good. 2mm that way. This is boring. Right, this one's got to go 2mm that way. Oh, that's not going to work for us, is it? Hang on, so select that and that. And we said this one stayed where it was, I'm sure we said. I can't remember now. Let's open another version of this. Another version and load up the lid so I can make sure. I don't know if right. Okay, so I want the lid on. Right, let's have a look at the lid. This bit here. If I can get to it. Okay, let's just do this bit down here then. Right, so I can't remember what we got now. 11mm there. And 15mm there, and 7mm. So we never. That's it. We never touched that. That's fine. Yeah. So we left it like that. Yeah. 15mm and 7mm. Yeah. Did we do anything with that? 11mm. No, that's it. That's right. So we've done the top two. We've got to do this one now. Oh no, do we need that one? Blimey hell, I'm useless at this. Can't remember. My memory's rubbish. I'm tired as well. Been to work all day. So. That's my excuse. I think these are set default, aren't they? No, they're not. No, they're not. Lid. Right. I can't see it now. Lid. Let's go into this mode. Alright, so there's your lid. What did I do with the lid? Why did I extend that lid? Oh yeah, I did both sides. That was unnecessary because it's straight down. That was necessary because it goes like that and across. But this bit doesn't matter. Let's put that back. Let's change that one back again then. Trying to keep track of all these changes, it's crazy. Is it that one? I don't know if it's that one or not. Can't tell. I'm upside down, inside out. Yeah, that's right. That's it. That's better. So, yeah, we need the 2mm there, but not the back. Right. So, I've got to find that equivalent now, somewhere. It's equivalent with that there, so... Right, so it's equivalent with that there. God, I don't know. Have I changed anything there now? I've probably done the wrong side. 10.5, no, that's right. So I changed. That's the back, and I'm upside down, inside out. So which one did I change? That one. That stayed the same, and so did. That stayed the same as this one, wasn't it? Oh God, I'm losing it now. My brain is fried. Sorry. Brain's gone. Was it this one over here? I thought it was this one. Yeah, it's that one, isn't it? Well then, if it's that one, so is this one as well. Oh God. The models, I can't get around the model. Yeah, that one's the same. So, how do I work it out? So, from this bit, it's the side that's nearest this bit. Right, whatever. Okay, so it's the side that's... I don't even know where we got to now. Hang on. So it's that bit there, isn't it? And that's the side bit nearest that. So it was that was flat and this one wasn't. So I've got to move this side. Is that 2mm that way? I think 2mm that way, which the orientation is like this. 2mm towards me. And this is 2mm towards me, yeah, that's right. And same with the back. Not that one though. Yeah. Too tired for this now. I can't concentrate no more. Right, let's try and keep concentration going. So that's that. Right, so that was that. That's sorted. We've done the top two, done that one. I've got to do these. God. I went to a place today and saw in their workshop they've got a massive laser cutter, about 100 watts CO2 laser cutter. And I opened it up and the guy showed me around and nobody had ever used it. It's water cooled, industrial water cooler. It's got what else has got on it? Yeah, a carbon air filter, massive machine for scrubbing the air. The bed had never been used. There's no laser marks on it or nothing. I don't think anyone there had got the expertise to even run it. Must have been about 10 grand. It's just sat there doing nothing. What a shame. What a crying shame. Terrible shame. Anyway. Right, these are going to be, yeah, wider. It's so big you wouldn't get it through a house door. You wouldn't get it through. I don't know how they transport it. You'd never get it through. Never get it through a door. So hang on, let's have a look at these. What's going on here? Right, so actually that's got to be done as well. Look at that. I missed one there. Because that's going, no, that's left out. Right, that's got to be pushed back as well. Good job I looked at that again. So let's just measure the size. 12mm. Okay, does that mean I haven't done the other side as well? $11mm. Why is that 11mm? The other one's 12mm. I don't get it. I don't get that. Why is that one smaller than that one? It's the same thing. Oh, it just happens to be the other side. Whatever fits it into it was that wide, yeah. So that's okay there. Let's have a look over here. Oops. I have to come in from a different angle. Right, so oh, that comes straight. That's a straight up and straight down. There is no cross piece, so that's okay there. That one. Okay, so we've got to work that out. That's one piece. So the left hand side does have to be longer. Right, so we've got to find that piece on this other bit. So that one has to be longer. Right. Okay, I got that now. That one doesn't. Right, everything else is good according to that. Right, so we can leave that one alone now. Go on to this one. The idea is to get all this done so I can come in tomorrow from work and start milling. Start milling the plastic again before it gets too late and the noise is not allowed. Not allowed. Noise late at night. Right. Now what about that one? Has that got to be changed? I'm going to have a look at that. That's the back piece. The back piece of the lid. Let's have a look. So the back piece of the lid, it's these here. So that's a straight up, straight down, so that's fine. So is that. That's fine. That one isn't, so it's just the one side that's nearest. Yeah, so one side of it, which is this one. No, because it's upside down, I've lost track of it. I hate it when it does that. Right. So this one, yeah, we've got to have to that side and that side. And the rest stay as they are. So it's the left hand side. Left hand side. So we've got to expand these down like this, 2mm, and push this one over by 2mm, up by 2mm. Oh. Okay, so that's done. Now this one will have to go 2mm this way. Nope, that's wrong. My mouse moved then. Right, it's a struggle. Right, let's get there and do it, finish it off. I didn't win the lottery this week again. There's no justice in the world, is there? Right, so they stay as they are. They were done. That's finished. So I think we're done there. So let's remake these two. So this is the front lower lid. So no, it's the lid. Sorry. Oh, the lid front lower. Alright, where's your lid? No lid, where are you, lid? There you go. Front. It's the front lower. The lid front lower, yeah. Inside outside cut. Save that. And this one is the, oh, that's not good, is it? See what happened there? It's included geometry for this. That's no good. We don't want that. Let's try again. Oh, we're gonna have to alter this. The safe area 220. So we're gonna have to bring up and alter the safe area to 220. That's it. I'll output that one again. Front lower. That's it. Override that. And then put that over here. And output this one. And it's the front lower. Front back lower. That's it. That's the lid sorted. These are the same. Right, and there's the base to do. I won't be making the base tomorrow, but do we want to open the base? No, I haven't got. This was the original base, so the naming convention's different. So I've got to find the base. What did I call it? Base plastics. Base plastics. Oh, is that the one? Don't know. What have we got here? That must be it. Back. Oh, base plastics. 22nd of the 2nd. 18th. So this is it. Base plastics. Right, there's the base plastics. Oh god, there's a lot of base plastics. It contains all sorts of stuff. Pockets and everything. Oh, I can't be bothered tonight with that. I'll leave the base plastics for now. Yeah, we'll leave the base plastics. Okay, so let's put it all back the right way up. So we've allowed a little bit of space now to save us having to. The only problem is some of the holes might not be big enough. This should have been 4.5. So I'll have to do them. God, do I do it now? No. Can't do it now. I'll be I'm too tired. Too tired. Right, anyway. I had some ideas. What ideas I have? Yeah. So to make this an Orac edition, what we need is I need an ESP32 with voice capabilities. So analog to digital, digital to analog converter into an amp, standalone, that plugs into one of these cards. It needs to be there anyway to monitor all the input signals from the power switch, and also the keyboards, decipher the information from the keyboard. So we'll have a plug-in ESP32 here with onboard amplifier and sounds. And what it can do is activate the Orac sound sample. So when you press it on, even with the power, the AMIGA hasn't booted up yet, but it's going to give you out some sound samples and clicks and effects and stuff in the style of Orac. So if you want to see Lake 7 Orac sounds. Just having a look, see if I can find any. Taking its time. Right, so we're on archive. I don't know if this will be too loud.
I am checking. Kindly wait.
I built it. It's a sculpture. I can get you the exact date.
I don't wish to interrupt.
Don't.
I wasn't talking to you.
You were attempting to override the superior system. Be silent. Have you betrayed us? You betrayed me? Tangs doesn't understand. Neither do I. I set all this up. Yes.
That's not Orac.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
I'll be back. Of course I'm obviously now. Having to press the activated button. What else would you expect?
All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time.
That is better. Our relationship will be best served if your statements are free of ambiguity. Instructions are not needed if commands are succinct.
Orac, what are your limits?
They have not yet been defined. My knowledge is virtually infinite. My secondary ability is to logically process that knowledge and make accurate predictions.
I am closing down. I have much to do. You have engaged my circuits on your petty affairs for far too long. State your program requirements. They will be implemented when capacity is available.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
Put it on audio. No. Hold that.
Got some more.
Give me a direct visual readout at my flight console.
Confirm. You've got a hand to even. He knows how to keep a secret. He probably won't even talk to himself.
Then you will remain silent until further instructed.
Confirm.
We won't meet again. You weren't entirely misled. I think I'm ready. Give the order, please.
I see the edit, breathing past herself. You still on the blink.
Town has about as much subtlety as a charge and walk strangler. That information is not available. Why isn't it available? The information you require has been stored via a coded route, and retrieval is not possible without the correct security command sequence.
And that sequence is known only to Avon, I imagine.
Confirmed. Isn't that what I just said? With a brain like mine, who needs computers? Confirmed. Minor damage to primary transmitter unit makes temporary close-down of speech circuits necessary. You will be advised when full function is restored. Confirmed. State, speed, and course. Computer circuits have now been rerouted and as requested are now online. Dangerous structural weaknesses have already developed in many areas. Also, relative circuits are delaying further weakening. This constitutes all available data. Confirm that information is not available. Confirm the data you requested is now available.
Then system status.
All systems are functioning normally.
It would be a little difficult to miss.
You will be advised when full function is restored.
Any idiot within reason, that is. Do you want the applause now, or will it wait?
You have an astute mind, Avon.
If you say so.
Confirm. Counting yourself, that makes two people think you're wonderful.
The art of leadership is dedication.
Demonstrably.
Depend on it.
Did you say something?
I said shut up. I apologize for not realizing you are deaf.
Don't bet on that. You're not going to make me leave it, are you?
Volunteer, or shall we draw lots?
Oh, nice when you shut it down.
Probably.
I have failed you. Oh, that's very amusing, Blake. For a dead man.
I must assume that your request is a frivolous one.
I shouldn't start gloating just yet if I were you.
I think I'll just go off and die somewhere.
I have the information you require.
Suddenly I'm deep in heroes.
Thought is beyond my humble capacities, Master.
It is an immovable certainty.
There seems little point in wasting time on such an explanation, since you will be incapable of understanding it.
All right, then he's not infallible. It's just that up to now he has never failed.
What did you do?
What any steel technician does with solid-state circuitry. He kicked the living quartz out of it.
There are two classic ways of dealing with a hysterical woman. Didn't really expect me to kiss her, did you?
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
I never realized you felt this way about me.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished. Nothing was further from my mind.
I think you're quite right. Now he really is a corpse.
Yes, well, I'm always grateful for a rough analogy.
It's like nothing I've ever seen before. Shut up, Tarrant. That would be a little foolish when I just went. Is it true? It's nothing and nobody. Do you take me for a fool?
That is correct.
The most logical course of action is to transport me to safety with all due urgency.
What action do you wish taken?
That's what passes for wit on board our ship.
What?
That's what passes for wit.
Oh, God, this is a nightmare.
What?
That's what passes for wit.
Oh, you can't go back easy. Look at it.
While surmise is not a part of
That's what.
What action do you...
the most logical course of action is to transport me to safety with all due urgency.
What action do you wish taken?
That's what passes for wit on board.
What action do you wish taken?
That's what passes.
What action do you...
Oh, bloody hell. What a user interface is crap.
What action?
That is correct. The most logical course of action is to transport me to safety with all due urgency.
What action do you wish taken?
That's what passes for wit on board our ship.
While surmise is not a part of my function. Yes. Master.
You think you found Blake?
We can fulfill your every desire.
Right, there's plenty on there. Plenty, so how do you get the files? Blake 7 sound effects. Dan sound effects. Right, so how do you get them? Player, where, what the hell? Right, so go to the start.
I am checking. Kindly wait.
I built
it.
It's a
It's a sculpture.
I can get you the exact
date.
Say that.
Don't. I wasn't talking to you. You were attempting to override us in clearly assisted. Be silent. Have you betrayed us?
Of course I'm on this switch now. Having depressed the activated buttons, what else did you expect?
All principal circuits are operating at capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time.
Say that.
Our relationship was the best served if your statements are free of ambiguity. Instructions are not needed and commands are
Web
succinct.
page complete.
What are your limits?
They have not yet been defined.
Alright, so I need to
My
get
knowledge
these.
is virtually infinite. My secondary ability is to logically process that knowledge and make accurate predictions.
I am closing down. I have much to do. Having engaged my circuits in your petty affairs for far too long. Stick your program requirements. They will be implemented when capacity is available.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
How'd you get them?
Audio. No. Hold that. Give me direct visual readout at my flight console.
Confirm. You've got to hand it to Avon. He knows how to keep a secret. He probably won't even talk to himself.
Then you will remain silent until further instructed.
Confirm.
We won't meet again. You weren't entirely misled. I think I'm ready. Give the order. Please.
The unit's still on the blink.
Town has about as much subtlety as a charging walk strangler.
Okay, so that's
That
alright.
information is not available. Why isn't it available? The information you require has been stored via...
Right, that's alright. Well, they'll know it all then. Okay, that saves them messing around a bit. Right, let's just do some testing while we're here. The stuff we've just done. Right, sides. So we did that one. Looks okay. Let's make sure it does it in the right order. Yeah, that's okay. I don't think we did anything with this one. No. What was the next one? Sides, no. Lid, yes we did something with a lid. Let's just go down them. That was just drilling the lid. That's just drilling the lid. This is the front bit. Yeah, looks okay. Let's just run it. The holes are probably too small. But yeah, we'll have to sort that out. Can't be doing it tonight. I'm just tired. Keyboard, front panel, drives and shelf brackets, main bridge. Yeah, it all looks good. Okay, well, I'm afraid it's gonna be it for tonight. I'm very tired, and probably do a bit of milling tomorrow night, or will I? Need the sides doing really, so I can put it together, and the lid. Yeah, so it'd be nice to do the sides and the lid. Okay, that's gonna be it for tonight. I always like to put everything back together to make sure I haven't accidentally deleted something. That should be everything back together. Yeah, that is. Oop, what's this? Okay, that's right, yeah. Everything's good. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's have an imposing look from underneath the keyboard here. No, let's have a look from the badge side. I've got to make a badge yet. Got to make a badge yet. That'll do. Okay. That's gonna be it. Thanks a lot and bye bye. I'm gone. And let's give you an outro. Just put me back on a bit and let's get hold of downloads. I think it's finished. Has it finished? Right. What's that?
You will be advised when full function is restored.
Okay. See. Orac circuits are full.
All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time.
Oh, that'll be me. That'll be me. Let's get all that and put it into there. Paste it into there. Put it and can add a new one. Right, browse. Okay. And it's Orac circuits are full. Orac circuits are full. Right, okay. Let's just see if we can play it.
All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time. All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time.
One more.
All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time. All principal circuits are operating at full capacity and cannot receive new programs at this time.